after he was taken into custody. So I want to go straight to that. This is just into our newsroom. Again, apparently shows the victim, from my look at it, holding what appears to be two sort of firearms in his hands, waving them along the West Side Highway. This video was taken by a student from Stuyvesant High School who says he was leaving class when he heard and saw the commotion. He saw people being hit by that van.
For? Yeah. They stopped all the traffic on the highway.
Damn. It's a disaster right now. What?
That's a Home Depot truck.
Somebody, nah, they hit people. People got hit. Nah. This is wild. The terrorist act. This is like the
Hey, can I get the kids out? The cops okay? Can you tell what happened?
We got to move them out.
Yeah.
They're stuck in here.
Oh shit, are you okay?
There's a son behind there.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey, can you call 911? Oh my god.
Maybe the child died.
Oh my god. Okay, I need an ambulance right here. Right here. The guy T-boned. Come on, there's kids right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Horror. Holy shit. Did you guys get him? Oh my god. Oh my god.
You gotta make a report.
Oh, these poor kids. Good. But there's a kid stuck on this whole other side of that bus is caved in. That's just caved in. It was like a T-bone accident apparently. It's really nasty. I wonder if we know those kids, you know? Oh yeah. Nasty, not good. Poor bus driver, man.
My car's right there. I was a witness to it.
Guys, block this off, don't let nobody pass them. Are you sure? Are you?
No.
Okay, yes, sir.
No, I was a witness, so you're just...
Oh, the witness, okay, I'm sorry.
Intersection, man. That utility car T-boned this one.
Where are the victims? Where are the victims?
This poor little girl right there in the wheel well, man. Oh. She okay, man? She okay?